Hi Mom! So today I will teach you a very easy recipe using Tefal's Easy Fry Deluxe Air Fryer. And we will be making homemade chicken nuggets and mushroom frites. So it's a very easy recipe that I'm sure your kids would love. Watch and learn! First, we mix the baking powder, the starch, the sugar, the garlic, the onion powder, the paprika, and the pepper into the chicken. Let's make sure that all the ingredients are combined well. Then let's form our chicken nuggets. So roll the chicken on the flour, dip in egg, and cover with breadcrumbs. I enjoy using Tefal's Easy Fry Deluxe Air Fryer because it makes everything crispy and tasty without feeling guilty. Here's the chicken nuggets. Let's test the crispiness. Now for our vegetable side dish, let's make some mushroom frites. So just roll the mushrooms in flour, dip in egg, and cover with breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna add some grated cheese on the mushroom frites so the kids will enjoy it more. And the good thing about it, it's air fried. Now we can enjoy crispy dishes without feeling guilty.